Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your iPad to the latest OS. So let's get started. Let's just go right into your settings. In your settings, your very first option will be your name or the device's name. From there, go into iCloud and make that backup, okay? If you guys have no more space on your iCloud, use iTunes, which is a free program. You guys can download on your PC or Mac and make the backup from there. And if you're having problems, use iTunes in order to update your iPad as well. Anyways, right now, we're gonna go right into general, which I am already in. So that's down here below. Then we're gonna choose the second option where it says software update. This will take a little bit to load. Now this update itself is not too big, okay? So you're not looking at more than 10 minutes if you guys have really slow internet, and with normal speed internet about 5 minutes, and with really slow internet 30 minutes. Sure, why not? But the update is really small. Anyways, right here you guys can learn more about it just by clicking right here, and there's bug fixes. Yes, some of these bug fixes were supposed to be fixed already in the last update, however it hasn't, so we're here back again. So let's just go right into install now. If you guys don't see install now, you might see download and install. That's normal. A lot of times it doesn't download it for you already, so you do have to click on download and install. Others might just see install now because the update already downloaded onto your iPad. So that will obviously cut down on what you guys have to do and wait for your iPad to restart and all that stuff, which is really quick actually. You guys are just gonna see an Apple logo loading bar. It's gonna restart and that's about it. So let's just click on install now. If you guys have a passcode, it's going to ask you for that. If you don't, it's not gonna pop up. So we're gonna see an Apple logo loading bar. It's gonna take quite a while, and then this one again we're gonna see another Apple logo loading bar. So it's gonna happen with a restart right there, and this one will actually be pretty fast. After that you will get a quick wait screen, don't worry about it, and then you will see this, which will tell you to enter your passcode if you guys have one. After you enter your passcode, you are all done. Everything's back to normal, and that's it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.